A good way to start before you post is to think about what defines your channel. Ask yourself what you are interested in and what makes you special in your way. And also ask yourself, how will your viewers find you? In today's video, I will be teaching you how to make content on YouTube and also YouTube content ideas for beginners. So stay glued, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Hannah's vlog. If today is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please do not make it your last time. To my lovely, amazing subscribers and viewers, you are welcome. Let's move to how to create content on YouTube. You will need to create a video. And how do you create this video? You will be placing your camera, putting it on video mode, then click on start and start recording. And before you start recording, you should have ideas of the videos you want to talk about. Then the next thing you'll be doing is to edit your videos. You do not need to take much time while editing your videos. Most times I don't take much time editing my videos. So you just edit your videos and then upload it on YouTube straight. Moving on to content ideas for beginners, the first thing I'll be talking about in this video is vlogs. There are a lot of vlogs video on YouTube and they are really nice and easy to do. As I explained previously, you just have to take your phone, start your video recording and have idea of what you want to talk about. So one of the ideas you want to talk about can be vlogs. These vlogs are also known as video blogs, so you can just do your video. Another point here is lifestyles videos. For example, product reviews, travel videos, and many more, exploring videos. If you're a kind of person that you like traveling, you have the privilege to travel from one country to another or state to another, instead of just traveling alone, you can bring your people to it, like your YouTube viewers to it. You can make a video about it. Another topic I'll be talking about is tutorials and how-to guides. So there are a lot of tutorials video that most people are interested in. 88% of people are interested in how-to videos and tutorials videos. You can start with it as a beginners and trust me, you're going to get at least 100 views. Educating viewers on specific topics is really nice. It is actually a good content for beginners. Another point is educational videos. These educational videos, you can teach people how to do some stuff, like being a teacher, teaching them things they need to know and all that. Okay, so another point I'll be talking about is comedy and sketches. You might not know you are really good in making people laugh and all that. Once you come to this YouTube channel and showcase the little you have within you, and most viewers watching your videos, they are really interested and they are having fun watching your videos. In fact, this YouTube platform can build your confidence. For the sketches, if you are good in creativity, you can also showcase it on YouTube. You can open a YouTube channel accounts, and if you want your niche to be on just sketches, you could also do a prank video. You can prank your sisters, your brother, your mom, your dad, your friends, and post it on YouTube so you can entertain people by that. I think that pranking video is under entertainment. Another point I'll be talking about, which is the last point, so it is interview and sports clips. So if you are interested in the niche part of being an interview person, interviewing people to your channel and you guys talking about things you want to talk about, it is also nice. It would also engage people to your channel because there are billions of people on YouTube watching different contents of their choice, so you would also find your you would also find your viewers to watch that video. Interviews videos is also a fun video to do, 1 or 2 people, and try to talk about a particular topic that is engaging or a topic that is viral now, maybe talking about Nigeria economy. And there are really things to talk about Nigeria economy, so you will get a lot of comments about it and ideas. There is a video I uploaded some months ago about YouTube video ideas, which is easy and it works. So this one, it's not just for beginners alone, it's for everybody, so anybody can just check that video out and choose any video ideas they want to be talking about. So this is the video. So I dropped a video about it, and you could also go there to check it out. I'll be dropping the link to watch that particular video. I dropped lots of videos ideas and it works. We've come to the end of today's video. Please do well to take note of the points I dropped, and I'll be dropping more educational tips in my next video. Please subscribe and like. Please just like this video right here and turn on your notification icon so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.